Cody, he kind of swore off down there for a while, hasn't he?
Well, you don't mind about a new national planner system.
What got him off?
I said, when he paid him for that John Deere, he spent that just fixing it out here.
All right.
Buy the house or something.
Yeah, we got quite a bit of daylight on the bottom now.
Let's,
Need an inch.
Jack up a bit, you need the air?
yeah, put the air back in there.
A little up, Ted. Hang on.
Keep going. Good.
There you go. Good?
Yep.
That's good.
That's good there, Ted. It looks good right in.
I got lots over here. I'm out. You got 2 inches hanging over there. Yeah, go that way. Yeah.
Let's just push it back. Let's give her a kick back there. And we can hit.
You're going a little bit. There you go. There it is. Want a bar? Oh, I just use a wrench.
I still got a gun.
Too early for that?
Yeah.
Attaboy. I can't even do that stuff. You don't want me drinking. I get crazy.
We got the native in it?
Oh, big time. Bad news. It ain't no fun for somebody, that's for sure. I always have a good time. Yeah, there's 2 there.
Hey Dad, where's it going to split? Right like that?
Right there, yeah.
Is Jared going back to work, you think? Well, it's a good time here. This is
Of course, yeah.
No.
Irishman, huh?
Ours or not. Or
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Where is his next? Is she around town still, or?
I think so. It's back on ponds.
Oh, is she?
I think so.
I got one left there. Mine's almost out though.
How about the kids? Or are you?
See, I don't think he even has anything to do with it.
They gotta be in the 20s by now.
Here, teens or
Teens, late teens.
18, early 20s. So they get done to school. He's off the hook like it.
Right.
Well, I think Lucy was going to be a lawyer.
Oh, really?
Oh, that's scary.
I haven't seen her in a long time. Last time I saw her, I didn't do it. She says every story.
Exactly. All right, I'm done. You know, take these along over there. Huh? Oh, okay.
Picture? Recording, actually. Yeah. So I typically have a cell phone in one hand and the camera in the other.
Multitasking.
Yeah, I'm texting and recording at the same time.
Yeah, that's pretty good. You always want to show you off, or?
Oh, yeah, good.
I got some really nice skinny wedges. Is that gonna help? Is that the thing that's gonna fall apart? Or?
Too bad. Let's see,
Yeah. I don't see nothing at the top yet. I'm sure you got it loose enough.
Oh, do we, right?
Very well.
We'll check everything.
Well, you got a split there now.
Probably still a little bit low. Not too bad.
Roll in front.
Yeah, I think we're all right though. We'll leave it. Just give it a little shove and see. Alright.
Wider at the bottom of the top.
A little bit. You take up a little bit. Oh.
The second wants to move the jacket. Want a screw underneath there?
Yeah, maybe. Give it a seal with that. Just heat it up.
That's, oh, I know where it is.
Yeah, that's that one.
That was my project. Great school. That's how they figured I could be a boy.
What's that?
Building trajectory.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, is that right?
The little one's over there in the rack. I'm like, oh, you want a orange handle one? I got one of them up there.
That's what you're looking for.
I got an orange handle one.
Let me get off. I knew that.
Yeah.
I knew that.
Be quiet.
Front's a little too high.
Yeah.
No.
I can put her down a little.
Yeah, it's just.
catch it.
Oh, yeah.
Need the back for this number.
Yeah.
Gotta get lots of room to work on.
Yeah.
Some,
Let's put that spring. Yeah. Yeah, the bush where he got, he's a little guy here. Where you leave him?